All right, it is finally time to put down my Prodiamine. Have enough time. Actually only have about 15 minutes, but let's go ahead and get it done.
All right, here I'm putting in some Prodiamine WGD. It's surprisingly small amount because it's such a concentrate. I'm going to do a split application here at one of the lower rates. Thanks to Mr. Matt and Martin with the Grass Factor for putting together an awesome video of the efficacy of split rates and combining different types of pre-emergents. Here is the Chapin 24 volt sprayer. There's a 20 volt, which most everyone has. I'd opted for the 24 volt just because it's kind of sounded better. No other reason. More volts better, right? This will be my third season using this little sprayer. It's a great little sprayer. I like it a lot. If I had one gripe about it, it would be the lid isn't designed as well as it should. It's a little too difficult, in my opinion, to screw on. You'll think you have it on there, and it's not, and it ends up leaking down your back, and that is not fun. But that's really operator error, I guess. This granular Prodiamine is super concentrated. I only needed about 10 grams to cover my 1,400 square feet. Make sure you have a kitchen scale or something like that to measure it out. And it's pretty simple to do the calculations on how much you need. I'll put my calculations on the end. And there's some other places you can just get that automatically calculated for you. I think Grass Daddy has a tool for that.
All right, well, Project Spring pre-emergent is completed. It's a lot easier than I expected. I've never done it with a liquid application. I put down Prodiamine at a 3-month rate. So we'll see how it does. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around. And this is what happens when you leave your bucket in line with the garage door. Sorry, little bucket. Oh man, you did well while you lived.